Hey everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will be a video on how to stop your player from falling through the floor. And what I mean is essentially like you can have your player clip through the floor and you don't really know why, and I'll show you why right here. So you want to go to Blender Game right here and drag this out and click on your physics tab and add dynamic physics to this cube right here. Dynamic like this. And if you hit Z to go into wireframe, you'll see that inside of this cube there is a circle. And this circle is essentially the physics bound like this. So this is where it's going to read, just this circle right here. But what could happen is if you hit S and Z to scale this cube up like this circle doesn't get bigger. So your cube is going to sink halfway through the floor. And you can tell this is happening by doing spacebar and then add a plane. And if we add a plane just underneath this cube like this, you can see it's going to sink through the floor like this. And if we hit Z to go out of wireframe, we can see it like this as well. It'll just sink right through that floor. If you right click on this cube right here though, you can fix this issue by hitting collision bounds, hit box, and hit convex hole like this. So if we hit P now, we see it's going to stop at the surface. And that's because the convex hole, the physics will conform to the shape of the object and not just a random circle or something inside of it. Alright guys, I hope you guys find this very useful. I remember having a lot of problems with this when I was first learning, so yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching.